Okay, some people have problems with these trucks to where you won't have lights that will work at all. Sometimes these two fuses, one of these could be blown. It'll make that side limp. This will make that side limp. And these two front ones at the bottom, 43 and 44, those are your park lamps for the front. 43 and 44. Yeah, see? Those are your park lamps. So when I put my parking lights on, my cab lights will turn on with it. But I also have this fuse break and the relay back there. I don't know, you can't even see it, can you? You can see it, right? Let's see why the fog lights wouldn't work. Let's see here. Ignition start. HVAC. Ignition run only. Wiper. Oops, my bad. Ignition run relay. Parking lamps. There's supposed to be a relay for the fog lamps. 63. Alright, sorry, ADHD's kicking in. Your toe stop turn relay, that could be bad too. That can mess up some tail lights sometimes. Park lamps relay. Okay, 71. Fog lamp relay. That's usually the one that will go for these. Especially because the lights, mice that crawl up on there and they like chewing shit. I do know I had to redo my fog lamps before because they got chewed up. Which it does suck. And also when I took this one out, I kind of wasn't ginger with it and I kind of ruined the harness a little bit. And then the other side, I'll show you that. Now I'm all dirty again. Let's do this. And then again, oh, I taped the living fuck out of that one. But yeah, they end up like getting chewed up and wrecked. Something chewed the shit out of these. I had to resolder, and because this plastic shit's like so brittle, I had to electrical tape all the way around it. Which it's actually coming in. Oops. Damn it. I just broke some more. Thanks, guys. Whatever. I don't know why it's just so delicate. The shit gets old. But, yeah, again, you can seriously have simplicity issues with electrical on these trucks. I got a short finder. And I got this. It's my short finder. It's not too bad of a tool. You pretty much have to know the vicinity and what areas of wires that you want to look at. Alright? Like you want to figure out your toe wiring and all that. You're going to clip this to the wire you want to know that has a short in it. Let's see. I have a splice and some wires somewhere, and I'll show you how to make it work. And yeah, sorry, can't do it all one-handed. The directions come in Japanese, so you can learn Mandarin and Japanese and Chinese and all that shit. Oh, look at that. Never mind. There should be English in there. Yeah. Alright. Don't be shy. You could probably figure out how to fill this warranty card out. It's all simple, you know. I guess I just need to learn to write my name in Chinese. I don't even know what the fuck is what. So much for insurance warranty on it, you know. Because you can't read the shit to fill it out. That's how they get you. Fucking, they'll rip you off that way. they'll send you something defective on purpose and know that you don't have to refund you because they know you don't know how to fill the motherfucker up. Anyways. Alright. To use one of these is pretty simple. Here's a diagram. It shows you to ground it, and you run along top of the wire with it. You ground it and you put it to the wire that you want to find the short in. Okay, I have power problems going to my taillights. Oh yeah, this one you gotta put to tone, which you go up. I think the bottom's for continuity. I just have a little clip dealy inside the middle wire, which is my power, and you will trace just that wire. Probably help if I turn it up. Okay, here's my middle wire, and it'll look for any shorts that it has. Hopefully the battery's good. I forgot to make sure. But you want to run down where you have a short, and right now, because none of them are split, I'm gonna have to split one and show you. Hang on. Okay, for shits and giggles, I put a split in it. As you notice, it got real loud. Listen. You'll run it to your wire and you'll run it down, and wherever you have a short, it'll get louder and louder until you find it. Now you know where to go. Of course, it's got its test button, you got your volume, which I don't have it very loud usually, but that is loud. See, you can go down here, it's quiet, and the further away you go, the quieter it gets. But as soon as you start working close to it, it'll get real loud. It's this one right here. You just go right along top of it, and boom. And because there's a bad connection there, boom, real loud. Pretty cool little device. I don't know why my phone's so fucking blurry all the damn time. There we go. Again, we'll try and show you. We'll crank it all the way up. Volume. See, here's where the brake is, right here. I split that on purpose. Then down here, we'll start away from it. It's quiet. Gets loud. There's a splice right there. Gets louder. Oh, can't do it. But yeah, closer you get. It's probably messing with my phone. I never thought of that. But yeah, there you go. It's a cool little device to have, and it works great. And I need to replace my LED because it burned out. Anyways, so good little thing to have. Might want to try and keep the batteries out of it. I ground it to the hitch because back here you can ground it to other stuff like